We begin with the updated Model 3, but it's now only available in China and Europe. The US hasn't received it yet. Indeed, it was amusing because last night I kept checking the Tesla website to see if it was available in the US, but it turns out that it's only available in China and Europe, which makes sense. First, they retooled the manufacturing in China. All right, we had been anticipating that one. The price decline of Tesla's most costly models, the Model S and X, was, in my opinion, even more surprising. To what extent is that known? Thus, even though the S and X only account for a small portion of Tesla's total sales, their price reduction has allowed them to become eligible for the $7,500 tax credit under the U.S. Inflation Reduction Act. Elon made it clear to everyone that he was going to pursue volume, and this is his all-out effort to accomplish so. Welcome back to another video where we explore why Tesla is a game changer in the EV sector, provide you with the most recent Tesla news, and analyze the stock. We're going to discuss Tesla's profit margins today and how and why they may contribute to this week's spike in the company's stock price. Recall that profit margins are essential to any business and play a key role in our examination of Tesla's stock. It not only demonstrates Tesla's sound business practices, but also provides compelling evidence that Tesla stock represents a worthwhile long-term investment. When making an investment in Tesla, it's important to take into account both improving profit margins and rising auto demand. Watch this video through to the finish if you're a Tesla investor, as these two factors have the potential to have a big impact on the price of Tesla's shares. Now, without further ado, let's begin. Simply an extension of what has transpired over the past few months. Elon Musk most recently issued this warning on their most recent earnings call, indicating that additional price reductions would be required. People are simply cutting down on their spending, which indicates that demand is clearly an issue for Tesla and its rivals. They don't have extra money to spend on an EV. Thus, for the seventh time this year, Tesla has altered the price of its Model S and X. Yes, I believe it's worthwhile to separate the two storylines. When you consider what's going on with the Model X, you'll see that the price reduction was designed to fit inside the IRA cap, making the vehicle eligible for federal subsidies and so a little more affordable, albeit still more expensive than the Model 3 and Model Y. That's generally seen as the main driving force behind the cuts made there. Given that the Model 3 and Model Y account for a sizable portion of Tesla's sales and revenue, the Model 3 is, however, likely a greater cause for concern. Many investors had anticipated that the new Model 3 will launch at a cheaper price to rival BYD and other vehicles, particularly in China, where the rivalry has been quite fierce. That is a serious worry. Thanks to advancements in technology and economical production techniques, Tesla has continuously increased its profit margins throughout the years. We anticipate these margins to continue rising over the next years. The strong demand for the updated Model 3 electric car is one of the primary causes of this anticipated improvement in Tesla's profit margin. The demand for Tesla's Model 3 sedan, which boasts an attractive new look, has been phenomenal since the company recently unveiled its plans. Welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow, everyone. With the introduction of the new Model 3 sedan, Tesla is demonstrating its increasing dependence on China, where it is competing with BYD for market share by launching a vehicle there before the US. This car is priced 12% more than the previous base model in China and is being produced in Tesla's Shanghai facility. In addition, it will be shipped to markets in the Middle East, Europe, and Asia. Since the release of the largest worldwide bestseller, the Model Y, in 2020, Tesla has made no changes to its mass-market vehicle lineup until the arrival of the new Model 3. The regular base model of this updated model is expected to have a greater driving range of 606 kilometers, which is approximately 9% more than the base model it replaces in China. In China, where deliveries are scheduled to start in the fourth quarter, as well as in other markets where it ships from Shanghai, Tesla claims to have started accepting orders. This model, which is anticipated to go on sale in the US shortly, has a number of benefits over rival and current models, which might greatly increase demand for Tesla automobiles. Before we go any further, please click the like button, subscribe, and enable post alerts if you enjoy this kind of information so you can be informed about all the latest news about Tesla. The redesigned Tesla Model 3 features new wheel designs, updated taillights, a smoother front end, and narrower headlamps for a more elegant and polished appearance. Along with it, Ultra Red, a new color option, replaces the red multicoat that is currently available. The Model 3 now has a more upscale and futuristic appearance, which may draw customers who appreciate creativity and beauty. Moreover, range has been enhanced. The updated Model 3 has a greater range than the existing model because of advancements in battery efficiency and aerodynamics. It makes use of a novel battery technology from CATL that is said to provide a driving range of up to 700 kilometers when fully charged. Customers who frequently need to travel long distances or who experience range anxiety may find the enhanced range appealing. Demand for Tesla goods is consistently high, especially considering the amount of work the carmaker invests into these more recent models. For example, the updated Model 3 has additional features and improvements that increase the car's utility and safety. Among the most noteworthy is the FSD version 12 software, which will allow the Model 3 to fully engage in autonomous driving when it is introduced later this year. Given its considerable advantages over the competition and the existing model, we think that the updated model might revolutionize both Tesla and the automotive industry as a whole. Additionally, it might increase the market for Tesla automobiles by drawing in more buyers who are searching for an opulent, fashionable, and efficient electric car. Additionally, this might boost Tesla's brand value and standing as a pioneer and innovator in the domains of autonomous driving and electric automobiles. Not to be overlooked, though, is the fact that a less expensive Model 3 from Tesla is also in the works, which may have an even bigger impact on demand for the company than the recently updated Model 3. The demand for Tesla cars is still rising, and this will be a big driver of future margin growth. Luck Ventures, a stock analyst for Tesla, predicts that the company will introduce the next Model 2 in 2024. Although Tesla hasn't officially listed the Model 2 on its list of upcoming cars, the EV manufacturer has hinted that a more affordable, smaller model is on the way. Many are discussing non-stop about the forthcoming Tesla model since Elon Musk hinted at the prospect of a new, less expensive car type. Many think the manufacturer needs to produce more inexpensive EVs if it is to really advance with its goal of producing electric vehicles. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has acknowledged as much. Musk previously tweeted that a new Tesla, priced at $25,000, would be available later in 2023. Many people think this could be the Model 2. Musk declared during Tesla's 2020 Battery Day that the company will produce an all-electric, fully autonomous car for $25,000. Additionally, it has been revealed that Tesla China is in charge of the new entry-level model's development. Though there has been a lot of enthusiasm surrounding the discovery of this new, less expensive Tesla model, not much is known about it except that Tesla intends to sell it for $25,000, significantly undercutting the Model 3. When it goes on sale, the product 2 will be the most reasonably priced Tesla product to date. It will be either a compact car or a subcompact car. It has been reported by Chinese media that Tesla is developing the Model 2 in China, and that the Model 2's development has already begun. A preliminary release date for the Model 2 was suggested by certain rumors in 2022 for later this year. Thus, Tesla's profit margins should increase significantly in the upcoming years. Even if the Model 2 hasn't been announced yet, any good news about this project will cause the price of Tesla stock to rise overall. Thus, we don't lose hope. However, what are your thoughts? Please share your thoughts with us below, and don't forget to share your Tesla valuation with us. Click on the next video that appears on your screen to learn more about what Tesla has been up to in the last several years. I'll see you over there.